Welcome to DJ Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C200. It's the AMG. It's in fantastic condition. A lot of specification on this one as well. Got front park distance control, which is in beautiful jasper blue. Star spoked diamond cut alloy wheels. Drives absolutely fantastic. It's got the full AMG body styling kit, twin exhausts. It hasn't even been valeted yet. It's just literally arrived to get it marketed. Got the colour coded rear diffuser. Obviously, as you can probably all see, the panoramic roof. It's very rare. Big optional extra. Got electric memory seats, heated seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Interior is in fantastic condition. No burst seats on this one or anything. It's in beautiful condition. Automatic headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox. It's only done 71,558 miles. Paddle shift in the gearbox, got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation. I think it's got a reverse camera as well. Reverse camera. You've got navigation, DAB radio, media pack, Bluetooth as well. Connectivity for your phone and for your music. Different driving styles: individual, sport, comfort, dynamic. Centre armrest. Plenty of USBs in there. So the interior is lovely. Panoramic blind. It tilts and slides, and it's got a blind to it, air conditioning, climate control. Drives absolutely fantastic. DJH got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.